Hello everyone. Let's start with the explanation of marketing chapter which belongs to business studies part 2. Coming to the meaning of marketing. Marketing is a social process which starts with the identification of customer's need and ends up with his satisfaction. So this term itself explains about three things. First, it is a social process because the main focus is customer satisfaction. Second, customer's need, that is to fulfill the need of the customer and his satisfaction even after supplying the good, whether the customer is satisfied with your services or not. So these all activities collectively creates the marketing process. Coming to the meaning of market term, earlier time the market is a place where buyer and seller can meet, but that was in geographic sense. Now every that place, whether it is on telephone or internet, wherever the buyer and seller can meet, can create a market. Now features for marketing. First main feature is need or want. Under this feature, marketeer, he needs to focus on what kind of goods or services he is producing, whether it is going to fulfill the need or want, whichever emphasis was there. So he needs to be particular about that fulfillment. While fulfilling this, he needs to focus on that product should always fulfill the need, and when the need is satisfied, then want may be arise. So while doing the marketing of a product, a marketeer has to focus that at least a product should fulfill need or want or both. Second feature is creating offerings. So marketeer has to focus whatever he is producing should be available with different features, particular features, price, quantity, styles, whatever, as different competitors are there. So here he has to focus on whatever he is offering should have different features, size, variety, shape, whatever. Then customer value. This feature contain the marketeer has to focus, like the product he is going to produce, customer should value it. Means concerned with price, he should be able to pay that price. Second thing, the product's value should suitable for him. The product should not be of that quality which is not affordable for him. So it should be according to the value that customer can pay it and customer can value that product. Then coming to the exchange mechanism. Exchange mechanism means where the marketeer should focus that there should be some buyer for it, because exchange process, it refers to the process of two parties where buyer and seller both should be there. If the seller is there and no buyer is there, then exchange process will not get start. So at least two parties, one buyer and one seller should be there, then exchange can be started. Second, it should not be forcible process. Forcible process means you cannot force anyone, like seller or marketeer, he cannot force anyone to buy that product. That product, it depends totally on the willingness of the buyer, whether he is willing to buy or not. Third thing, there should be something exchangeable. Something exchangeable means, if you are talking about I'm going to sell the stars of the sky, that is not exchangeable. No one can buy it, and no one can sell it. So the product should be of that kind which is exchangeable. So all these features, until and unless these features are not in a process which you say that I'm going to enter into marketing process, all these features are required. So here my suggestion is, when you are beginning with this project or with this concept, you should see all these features should be there. First of all, the product should fulfill the need or want. Second, it should be available with the different features, seeing the competitors' availability, what they are providing, whether you are covering all the points or not. And then customer should value that product, and then you can begin with exchange. And exchange is not possible until and unless two parties are there. One is buyer and seller. Second, it should not be forcible. Third, something exchangeable should be there, and fourth, proper communication should be there. So we can add one more point, that is communication. So communication between buyer and the seller. So this is all for today's topic, marketing meaning and its features. We'll continue that in next session. Thank you.